In this video, I'm going to show you how to add notes in your Canva design. So here I have a presentation, but this should work on any design. So to add notes, you'll see this notes button at the bottom left corner. Just click on this. And now here you can add some notes for this specific slide or design page. So I can just add some notes here, and then you can also change the notes up or generate some notes using AI if you want. And that's it. You can close it. And if you want to see it again, you can just click notes and you'll see it. And if you want to add it for another page, just click on the other page. And then you'll see here that you can add notes for that specific page, or you can generate notes again. And that's how you can add notes between each design or page in your Canva design. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.